Hi dear students, how are you today? Our lesson for today, 10-4, multiply a whole number and a mixed number. As we talked before that, I can multiply a whole number by fraction. How, teacher? If I have 4 times 2 out of 5, I can multiply this whole number by the fraction. How, teacher? I will multiply the numerator by numerator. 4 times 2 equals 8. And here we have the denominator 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. What this, teacher? This called improper fraction. How can I convert improper fraction into mixed number? I can use division with remainder. 8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. Now I will subtract. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So I have only 1 5 and the remainder 3 out of 5. If I have a mixed number like 3 and 2 out of 7, how can I decompose this mixed number? I will write the whole part by itself, 3, plus the fraction part 2 out of 7. Now, teacher, I will try to multiply a whole number by a mixed number. 2 times 3 and 1 out of 2. I have two ways to solve this type of problems. The first way, I can write the whole part as it is, times I will decompose the mixed number 2, 3 plus 1 out of 2. Now, teacher, I can use distributive property to multiply 2 times 3 plus 2 times 1 out of 2. It will be 2 times 3, the sign in the middle, plus 2 times 1 out of 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 2 times 1 equals 2, and here 1 times 2 equals 2. Equals 6 plus 2 out of 2 equals 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Do I have another way? Yes, teacher. I will write the problem here. 2 times 3 and 1 out of 2 equals, I will convert the mixed number into improper fraction. How? Keep the whole number as it is, 2 times multiply add. I will keep the denominator as it is, which is 2. 3 times 2 equals 6 and 1 more equals 7. Now, teacher, I will multiply numerator by numerator. 2 times 7 equals 14. And the denominator, which is 1 times 2 equals 2. 14 divided by 2, or 14 out of 2 equals 7. Both of them are correct. It's up to you. Choose any way to solve with. Let's start our lesson. Number 6. I will solve number 6 by using the two ways. 2 times 1, I will decompose the mixed number, plus 2 out of 5. Now use distributive property, multiply 2 here and here. 2 times 1 plus the sign in the middle, 2 times 2 out of 5. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 2 times 2 equals 4 out of 5. I will add the whole number plus the fraction. It will be 2 and 4 out of 5. Look here, we have 2 whole and 4 fifths. Or I can solve it by converting the mixed number into improper fraction. How, teacher? 2 times 1 and 2 out of 5. Keep 2 as it is. I will write 2 times multiply, add. Multiply, add. keep 5 as it is. When we convert any fraction, we will keep the denominator as it is. 1 times 5 equals 5, and 2 more equals 7. Now, start to multiply. 2 times 7 equals 14 out of the same denominator, 5. Now, teacher, this called improper fraction, I will try to convert it into mixed number. How many 5 in 14? We have 2 5s. So 2 times 5 equals 10. 14 minus 10 equals 4 out of the same denominator. Number 7, 3 times 1 and 5 out of 6. I will keep 3 as it is, times, I will decompose the mixed number into whole part plus the fraction part. Now distribute 3, multiply it by 1, and multiply it by 5 out of 6, equals 3 times 1 equals 3, plus 3 times 5, 15 out of 6, equals 3 plus, I will convert this improper fraction into mixed number. How many 6 in 15? We have 2 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. So the remainder will be 3 out of 6. Equals, I will add the whole parts together and the fraction by itself. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 3 out of 6. Number 8, I will keep 4 as it is and decompose the mixed number into 2 plus 3 out of 8. Distribute 4, I will multiply it by 2 and multiply it by 3 out of 8. 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 out of 8 equals 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 4 times 3 out of 8. We said before that I can simplify one of the numerator with one of the denominator. Here, 4 and 8, we have a common factor between 4 and 8, which is 4. Divided by 4 equals 1, and divided by 4 equals 2. Now I will multiply. 1 times 3 equals 3. And here, 1 times 2, we have here 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 8 plus 3 out of 2. I will write 8 and start to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, and the remainder 1 out of 2. Equals 8 plus 1 equals 9, and the fraction 1 out of 2. Number 9, 8 times 2 and 3 out of 4. I will keep 8 as it is, times, convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Multiply, add. I will put 4 as it is. I said before, when we convert, we have to keep the denominator as it is. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, I will multiply 8 times 11 equals 88 out of 4. 88 divided by 4 equals 22. 8 divided by 4, 2. 8 divided by 4, 2. Number 10, I will solve it by this way. By converting the mixed number into improper fraction. Keep 10 as it is. 10 times, I will keep 5 as it is, and multiply, add. 3 times 5, 15. 15 and 3 more, 18. Now, teacher, we know that I can simplify one of the numerator with one of the denominator. We have here 1 as denominator. We have 10 and 1, and 10 and 5. I have a common factor between 10 and 5, which is 5. Both of them end with 0 and 5, so both of them are multiples of 5 or divisible by 5. So divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now, teacher, I will multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 2 times 18 equals 36. 1 times 1 equals 1. There's no need to write 1 here in the result. We finished our session for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, inshallah.